Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you a review on the Ibd Just Gel Polish Diamonds and Dreams collection. This collection consists of 6 colours. I've purchased 3 of the ones that I feel will be more popular for my clientele. So apart from those, there's also a black, a red and a more brighter, bolder yellow type gold. But they're just not colours that I feel would be popular in my salon, so I didn't purchase the whole collection. As I do the review, I will show you how each one of these floats on the brush and the consistency of it, and I'll also show you the first and second coats that I apply onto the swatch stick. Unfortunately, I did lose the footage of applying the first coat on the first colour, but you will get to see on the swatch how the first coat looks prior to applying the second coat. Under the lights is a pale gold. It's not an in-your-face type of gold, just a nice, beautiful pale gold, borderline sort of champagne gold. Glitterstruck is a true silver and it's very bright in its appearance. Anything glows as a very pale pink, but it can also pass nearly as a rose gold. It would depend on what colours it's being used with as to what you would describe it as, but I think it's very, very close to a rose gold. Looking back at this video, I can see that the swatches are throwing a lot of purple. I just wanted to mention that there's absolutely no purple glitter in these polishes. It's just simply my gloves reflecting on the glitters. All of these colours applied very nicely. They were opaque in 2 coats. IBD aren't generally known for having great glitters, but this collection, I have to say, has really changed my opinion. I absolutely love it, and I'm really, really impressed with the consistency of the polishes. In closing, I'd just like to thank everybody for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please sub to my channel. I will have some reviews coming up in the near future, so until then, I hope you have a great day. Bye!